Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be comparing Gemini, Claude, and GitHub Copilot. These are three of the biggest AI coders out there. So which one will dominate in 2025? Let's just try to find in today's video. So first of all, let's start with Gemini. So Gemini is getting stronger with each update. It is now supporting the real-time coding, debugging, and the contextual explanations inside Google Colab and VS Code. It is great for problem solving, algorithm help, and multi-language projects, especially if you are deep into the Google's ecosystem. The next that we have here is Claude. So Claude Sonnet 4.5 is incredible at reading and reasoning through the massive code bases. It is not just generating the code, it is explaining the logic, catch the hidden errors, and even rewrites the entire projects in a clearer structure. It feels more like a calm senior developer guiding you step by step. Then there is GitHub Copilot, which is the most practical for everyday developers. It is deeply integrated into VS Code and JetBrains, and it predicts the code line by line as you type. So for speed and productivity, nothing beats it yet, but it's still weaker at the long context reasoning compound as compared to the Claude. So the final verdict would be Copilot wins for the fast coding, Gemini wins for its versatility and integration, and Claude wins for the deep reasoning. Together, they define the future of AI assisted programming in 2025. So, which one do you think will dominate? Let me know that in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching and bye.